Okay. Hi everyone. Just doing a little thing where, well, I'm sure you can see the game I'm playing here. It's very old and nobody really plays it anymore because it's not as good as the PlayStation 2 games. But I just thought I'd provide something for people to maybe at least look at. Because I've noticed, well, a lot of games people just go out of their way to do sound effects of weapons and shit, but this game doesn't really seem to have any on YouTube, so I thought I'd do that myself. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through all the weapons from the saucer for sounds and effects and crap. Especially the last one. That one is going to be mint. So yeah. So let's start with tornadoes. Tornadoes. Yeah, and then there's that glitch as well. Huh. To be honest though, it sounds way better when that sound effect happens. Don't you think? Miniguns! Anyway. Okay, here comes the absolutely greatest sound effect you'll ever hear in your entire life. Frickin' thing's supposed to be, well, a ball of destruction, but it sounds like God. Then you can kill him afterwards. But seriously, just listen to this. Tell me what you think in the comments what this sounds like. sounds pretty amazing, don't it? It sounds as if there's like multiple different layers of sounds within the sound effect itself, which would be cool. And I'm thinking I want a sound effect close to that in a game series that I want to make. It's like something that sounds like you are at your ultimate power. This is the sound of gods dying, and you are the creator of destruction, or some shit like that. Sounds like I am at my most epic form. No one can beat me now. Gaze upon your lord and master. Yeah, something like that. LOL. Don't you think it's such an epic sound? And to think it came out of a game, well, a game series that was kind of good, started to get shit, and then it got put onto a different game developer. They didn't do so well, and now I think all the developers are defunct. So pretty much it sucks. There's nothing left. We need a fan game on Destroy All Humans, and this needs to be in it. Just listen to that sound. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for letting me nerdgasm. I hope you enjoyed that little thingamajig thing, doobly flop, whatever. Catch you next time. Yeah. Bye!